When Tinker was introduced in 1966 as a robot that could help with household chores, it caused quite a stir in the world of technology. It could wash cars, weed the garden, and even walk babies. But how did this miraculous robot work, and why did it eventually fade into the dustbin of history? David Weston developed Tinker to make many daily tasks easier. The list of things Tinker could do was quite impressive. She could wash cars, weed the garden, walk babies, and accompany her owner while shopping. At the time, such technology was truly revolutionary. What set Tinker apart from other robots was its advanced engineering and technical equipment. It had 120 electronic motors, a zooming TV camera, and 29 signal receiving channels. Tinker was controlled by a camera mounted on the roof of Weston's garage, monitoring his every move. But Tinker's biggest drawback was that it could only operate within a 200-meter radius around Weston's garage. This limitation prevented the robot from reaching its full potential. As promising as Tinker's story was initially, it took an unfortunate turn. In 1974, Weston ran out of space in his home and handed Tinker over to family friend Brian. Unfortunately, Tinker was disassembled into spare parts and sold like the other equipment in the shop. The robot's potential never saw the light of day again. David Weston was an inventor who thought of many creative inventions throughout his life and scribbled sketches on the back of cigar packs. The Tinker was one of the few inventions he brought to life, but it eventually faded into history.